Hello, everyone. This is Don Cooper. I'm the CEO of Innovator Industrial Services, and I'm your host today on this API 653 new repair methods webinar.
Carbon fiber starts as a precursor, a plastic that undergoes a process of high heat and pressurization to burn off the impurities. And what we're left with is a very high tensile strength filament collected into a bundle. We then take those bundles, we weave them into fabrics in 2, 4, 6, 12-inch wide and 24-inch wide rolls. Those fabrics can be wetted out and saturated with a thermoset resin that allows the composite to be made and then attached to a tank. The saturation process can be done using a saturator for high volume output as well as the quality of the saturating process. The saturated carbon fiber is then applied to a properly prepared surface, so that would be following industry standards for surface prep